There seems to be an issue with this wheel because this beam is actually split. Don't know how that happened, but it looks like it's split right along the line where the caster holds onto the beam. So probably what I can do is figure out a way to get this beam so it doesn't wobble around as much, or just make it a double thick piece of wood like I did with the other wheel over there. In fact, I'm kind of curious why I didn't do that in the first place, but that is an easy fix. Nothing that a few screws cannot handle. Other than that, I mean, stuff held together pretty well. The elbow for the clutch engaging lever actually kind of broke in there, so I just gotta build a new one of those. That'll take like 5 seconds. And the steering worked, and the arms worked okay. They moved, and the torso rotated, and the only thing to do was ergonomics, and that is something to worry about when I actually gotta do a fight or something for this. So, full systems test went okay, I guess. If you like my content, be sure to, well, like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.